The yogis, the Shiv yogis, when they went into deep meditation, we connect ourselves with the universe. And every planet is emitting vibrations. The principle of Einstein, E is equal to mc square. That means every matter, whatever you see, is made up of energy, and every energy is made up of vibration. That means your physical body is made up of what? The physical body is made up of flesh, bones, blood, organs. And the organs are made up of what? The tissues. Tissues are made up of what? Cells. Cells are made up of what? Molecules. Molecules are made up of what? Atoms. And atoms made up of what? Electron, proton, neutron. Now, have you studied the movement of electron? Have you studied the movement of electron? It moves in one direction and then it goes there, and then it goes there. That means you all are sitting ideal here, but you are not. Actually, that's what the scriptures they say. What you are seeing with your eyes is not correct. Am I right or not? Because your eyes are saying you are sitting ideal, but you are made up of electrons and they are you are not ideal. Because your eye sees the earth flat, but it is not flat. That's wrong. Your eyes, your perception sees that earth is static, but it is moving, double moving. One is rotating and one is moving. So much of speed is there. So what you are seeing, what the doctor has said you understand? What the doctor has said you is incurable is not correct. Because the perception, this is what is the first thing, and I'm talking of the quantum physics. I'm not talking of the scriptures or spirituality or a yogi. The yogis are the best and the best in quantum physics. We are the best. Because they control the ether and they control the atoms, molecule, and then they create. And this is how we do the healing. We do not do healing at the cellular level. We do the healing at the subatomic particle level. Because they are the one which is responsible for creating atomic configuration, and they are going to create a new cell in the body.